In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Trello cards. First, make sure you're logged into your Trello account and looking at the correct board. This is the board where your project or workflow lives, with all the lists and cards you usually work with. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right board, because you'll be attaching files to a specific card within it. Next, look through your lists and find the card you want to attach files to. This might be a task, a feature request, a bug report, or any kind of work item. When you found the right card, click directly on its title. This will open the card in a detailed view in the center of your screen, where you can see and edit all the information related to that task. Inside the card, you'll see several options and sections like the description, activity, and so on. Focus your attention on the right-hand side of the card. There, you'll see an area that contains different card actions and enhancements. Look for the option labeled Add. This is where Trello lets you enrich your card with extra details and tools. Click on Add. When you do, a list of options will appear. These options are designed to help you organize and manage your work more effectively. Let's quickly walk through what you're seeing so you understand where the attachment option fits in. You'll see labels, which you can use to organize, categorize, and prioritize your cards with colors or tags. There's dates, where you can set start dates, due dates, and reminders to keep your work on schedule. You'll find checklist, which allows you to break your task down into smaller subtasks that can be checked off as you complete them. There is also members, which let you assign people to the card so everyone knows who's responsible for what. Among these options, you'll see attachment. This is the one you'll use to add your files. When you click on attachment, Trello will give you several ways to attach content. Depending on your setup, this can include files from your computer, links from the web, or items from connected services. Use this option to add any relevant documents, images, or resources your team needs, keeping everything in one place within the card.